Affordable housing, Titan mobile brick plans. Titan MOBIBRICK, Titan Machinery Affordable Housing Global Challenge. Every person deserves humane living conditions. Today's agenda: Introduction, Mobile brick making module, Mobile concrete preparation module, Mobile crushing module, Mobile energy generation module, Mobile service module, Container houses for workers. Introduction to Mobile brick making module. A mobile brick plant is a type of equipment that is designed to produce bricks on site using raw materials such as stone waste, screenings from quarries, demolition waste, cement, sand and water. As the name suggests, a mobile brick plant is mobile and can be transported to different locations where bricks are needed, rather than requiring the raw materials to be transported to a fixed brick making factory. Titan mobile brick plants typically consist of the following units: mobile brick making module based on modular design high pressure brick making machines, automatic stacker, pellets feeding unit, oil chiller, etc. Mobile preparation module based on intensive mixer, batching station, cement and pigment scales, mobile crushing module based on different crushers, sieves, conveyors, mobile energy generation module based on diesel generator, mobile service module for on-site repair and equipment maintenance, container houses for workers. The entire process is automated and the resulting bricks are of high quality and can be used in construction projects. Titan MOBIBRICK. Titan MOBIBRICK mobile brick and block making plants can be used for the energy efficient brick production all around the world. Extremely good mobility and ease of assembly make MOBIBRICK a unique technology. Titan mobile brick plants typically consist of the following units: mobile brick making module, based on modular design high pressure brick making machines, automatic stacker, pellets feeding unit, oil chiller, etc. Mobile concrete preparation module, based on intensive mixer, batching station, cement and pigment scales. Mobile crushing module, based on different crushers, sieves, conveyors. Mobile energy generation module, based on diesel generator. Mobile service module for on-site repair and equipment maintenance. Advantages of Titan MOBIBRICK mobile brick making plants: reduced transportation energy. A mobile brick plant can be moved closer to the source of raw materials and thus reduce the energy required to transport the materials to a distant brick plant. Efficient use of fuel. A mobile brick plant can be designed with more efficient fuel systems, such as gasification or use of alternative fuels like biomass. Recycling and waste reduction. A mobile brick plant can incorporate waste reduction and recycling measures, such as reusing the demolition and construction waste or using quarry waste, like stone sieving. Cost savings. Rather than building a new brick plant in a new location, which can be expensive and time-consuming, manufacturers can simply move the mobile plant to a new location. This reduces the cost of building a new plant and can also reduce the cost of transportation of raw materials and finished products. Flexibility. Mobile brick plants can be relocated to different areas based on changing market demands or availability of raw materials, which allows brick manufacturers to quickly adapt to changing circumstances and remain competitive. Mobile brick plants are used in a variety of settings, including remote or rural areas where access to brick making factories may be limited, or in disaster zones, conflict zones, earthquakes, where there is an urgent need for building materials. They are also used in construction projects that require large volumes of bricks, as they can produce bricks on site and reduce transportation costs. Normally, mobile brick plants provide an efficient and cost-effective way to produce bricks and can help to increase the availability of building materials in areas where they are needed. Mobile brick making modules can be built on the basis of the following mobile brick machines: Titan 80S, Titan 240SH, Titan 400SH, Titan 400DH. The machines have different capabilities and can produce different types of bricks, paving tiles and blocks. For example, Titan 80S is intended for producing bricks or paving tiles. Titan 240SH can produce bricks, paving tiles or small blocks. Titan 400SH can produce bricks, paving tiles or big blocks. Titan 400DH can produce both bricks, big blocks, interlocking bricks and interlocking blocks. Furthermore, the modules are equipped with automatic stackers, which can help to increase efficiency and reduce labor costs during the production process. In this slide, we can see overall design of Titan MOBIBRICK 80S model. Another module, Titan MOBIBRICK 240SH. And finally, Titan MOBIBRICK 400DH module. All modules are equipped with automatic stackers like Titan Zork. Part of Titan Zork automatic stacker, brick conveyor. Automatic pellet dispenser can increase overall production capacity. Titan Mobile Concrete Making Module is a type of equipment used to produce concrete on site, which eliminates the need for transporting concrete from a central production facility to the construction site. As the name suggests, a mobile concrete plant is mobile and can be easily transported to different locations where concrete is needed, rather than requiring the construction site to be near a fixed concrete plant. Titan mobile concrete plants are designed to be compact and easy to set up, allowing for quick installation and removal at the brick production of construction site. They typically consist of a mixing unit, a water supply system, a cement storage silo, and a control unit. The mixing unit mixes the raw materials such as cement, water, sand, and aggregates to create concrete, which can then be transported to the construction site via a mixer truck. Titan mobile concrete plants can be used both for supplying concrete to the brick making module and directly to the construction site. Titan mobile stone crushing plant is a type of equipment used to crush large rocks, stones, demolition and construction waste into smaller pieces, which can be used for concrete brick manufacturing. As the name suggests, a mobile stone crushing plant is immobile and can be transported to different locations where the rocks or stones need to be crushed, rather than requiring the raw materials to be transported to a fixed crushing plant. Mobile stone crushing plants typically consist of a primary crusher, a secondary crusher, a vibrating screen, a conveyor belt, and a control unit. The primary crusher breaks down the large rocks into smaller pieces, which are then sent to the secondary crusher for further crushing. The crushed stones are then separated by the vibrating screen according to size and conveyed to the required location via the conveyor belt. Overall, mobile stone crushing plants provide a convenient and efficient way to crush and process large rocks and stones on site, reducing transportation costs and increasing productivity. Mobile energy generation module. Diesel generators are a type of power generator that uses diesel fuel to generate electricity. They are used as a primary power source in areas without access to a reliable power grid. Diesel generators work by using a diesel engine to drive an alternator that produces electricity. The generator is connected to a fuel tank, and when it is started, the engine begins to burn diesel fuel to power the alternator. The electricity produced can be used to power various devices and equipment. Diesel generators are available in a range of sizes and power capacities. One advantage of diesel generators is that they are more fuel efficient than other types of generators. Diesel fuel has a higher energy density than gasoline, meaning that a diesel generator can produce more electricity per unit of fuel than a gasoline generator. They are also more durable and can operate for longer periods of time than other types of generators. Overall, diesel generators are a reliable and cost-effective way to provide power in areas without access to a reliable power grid. Titan Mobile Service Module for on-site repair and equipment maintenance is a self-contained unit that is used for repairing and maintaining equipment at the location where it is being used. Mobile service modules are designed to be fully equipped with the tools, equipment and supplies needed to perform repairs and maintenance on a wide range of equipment. They may include items such as welding equipment, hand tools, power tools, diagnostic equipment and spare parts. These modules are staffed by skilled technicians who are trained to diagnose and repair a variety of equipment and are equipped to handle a wide range of repair and maintenance tasks. They may perform routine maintenance tasks such as oil changes and filter replacements, or they may perform more complex repairs such as engine overhauls or transmission replacements. The benefits of using a mobile service module for on-site repair and equipment maintenance include reduced downtime for equipment, improved equipment reliability, and lower costs associated with transporting equipment to a fixed repair facility. Mobile service modules are also an efficient way to provide maintenance and repair services in remote or difficult-to-reach locations where traditional repair facilities may not be available. Overall, a mobile service module for on-site repair and equipment maintenance provides a convenient and cost-effective solution for repairing and maintaining equipment at the location when it is being used. It ensures that equipment downtime is minimized and that equipment is operating efficiently, increasing productivity and reducing costs. A container house for workers is a type of housing that is made from shipping containers and is designed to accommodate workers who are working in remote or isolated locations. These container houses are typically temporary structures and can be easily transported to and from different sites as required. Container houses for workers are an affordable and practical solution for companies that need to provide accommodation for their workforce. The shipping containers used to create these houses are already designed to be durable and able to withstand harsh weather conditions, making them suitable for remote locations where traditional housing options may not be available. Container houses for workers can be customized to meet the specific needs of the workforce. They can include features such as heating, cooling, plumbing, and electricity, and can be designed to accommodate varying numbers of workers, depending on the size of the container and the layout of the housing. Container houses for workers provide a comfortable and safe living space, which can help to improve morale and productivity among workers. Overall, container houses for workers are a cost-effective and practical solution for companies that need to provide temporary housing for their workforce in remote or isolated locations. They offer a range of customizable features to meet the specific needs of the workforce and can help to improve living conditions and worker satisfaction. Multimodal transportation for container-based brick, tiles, and block plants.